All right, so when you go to goldsilver.com, you're going to click on charts. Then you're going to go and look at the gold chart. And let me make that bigger so you can see something on the very end. Now, I teach this all the time. What do you see on the end? Y'all make me proud. What do you see on the end? Even though they ain't got nothing to do with stock market, but a chart is a chart. There you go. There you go. Y'all make me happy. Yes, 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 yes. Okay? So I teach people that as soon as you see that, you're looking, let me use my other hand so I can show, you're looking to get in right there. That's when you're looking where the tip of my fingernail is. That's when you're looking to get in. Okay? So look at y'all make me so proud. Look at that. Look at Miguel and Quick and user 493 and Gina and I feel like it's Wednesday already. And Gina and Carldell and Stacy and Deshay. If I'm saying it right, I hope I am. Estella and Dan P. and Devon. There is an elevator. That's true. There is an elevator. Monica, that's right. J18. I'm just here. Christina, good. And Sunshine, good. So, Lucy, I see money. So, by the way, that is a perfect example, perfect example of the stairs take the stocks take the stairs up and the elevator down. That is a perfect example of what that means. Okay. So as you can see, it took all this time to go from here to here. That's a lot of time, but it only took, what was that? It only took a little bit of time to go straight down. Okay. So these are the stairs and this is the elevator down. Okay, so I say stocks take the stairs up, even though this isn't a stock, but it's still proving what I've been teaching all this time. Okay, stocks take the stairs up, but the elevator down. And that's why if you know how to make money in the stock market, the way I teach it to you with options, you can make more money faster with puts. That's it. That's a perfect real life picture. Okay, it took all that time. Let me see if I can show. Let me pull up the time. So from right here, this bottom point right there, and this bottom point right there. Okay, so it took from this point to go from here all the way up here, but it took like 2 days for it to fall off a cliff and get back down there. Okay.